All right, this week we learned about energy and the climate, and with the book kind of tying this into the food systems, energy and the food systems go hand in hand because the energy used to process, package, transport, keep the poultry and whatever it is at the desired temperature during transportation, all of that contributes to our environmental footprint on our food system. And this includes energy to keep it in the fridge, preserve it, and make sure that it doesn't go bad during shipping. By shifting more towards farmers markets and local organic farming, we can help reduce the carbon footprint of the food systems. On page 329, it says in 2007, the U.S. Department of Agriculture announced that the number of farmers markets nationwide had doubled in 4 years, a sign that the sustainable food movement was gaining traction. So this kind of just reiterates that by shopping local and whatnot, that we can help reduce the energy that's used and kind of help save our environment a little bit. On 307, it says, apparently convinced of the genius idea, the owners of Veta La Plama had committed to building a 3,000 square foot curing room and supplying the mullet for the operation. He predicted that within the year they would be producing 4,000 kilos, which is 8,800 pounds per week of this fish. So as climate change affects the mullet fish populations, the demand for more fish increases. Kind of what we're talking about here, how they're trying to mass produce everything. And this ongoing cycle of overproducing with climate change related can jeopardize long-term viability of mullet fisheries and also threatens other species in the marine ecosystem. Also, modern industrial fishing practices depend heavily on fossil fuels to power large vessels, so kind of what we talked about or what we read about earlier in this module. And these energy intensive methods allow for overproduction and whatnot, but the energy required to get all of these fish also exacerbates everything. So kind of just tying in how energy and climate are related to agriculture and how overproducing and overfishing is actually doing nothing but harming our environment.